Hirakamani Infrastructure presents Teju City, a mega residential township at Doddaballapur, and the amazing opportunities it offers. Further fueling this boom is the flurry of development happening around the new international airport. Teju City, situated at Doddaballapur, is a hassle-free drive. The international airport has become the hub of activity with the financial city, aerospace parks, several SEZs including the ITIR region and public sector units springing up around it. Teju City is at the cusp of all these developments, promising to provide you a world-class habitat and fetch you attractive returns on your investment. The area is ecologically rich and features rolling hills, verdant meadows and vineyards. Dotted by luxurious, eco-friendly resorts and educational institutions of repute, it is the ideal location to escape to a home away from the Doddaballapur industrials and malls. Teju City, a Doddaballapur Development Authority approved layout in Bangalore Rural District, is situated just off State Highway 74, which provides a vital link between the fastest lush green farms wave and welcome you to the Doddaballapur Tapgere Road to this paradise situated in the temple for your spiritual awakening. The highlight of Teju City is a bevy of waterfront activities by the lake for the entire family. Waterfront restaurant, floating cottages, water slides, banana boat and speedboat rides, water trampolines and a lot more to enjoy with family and friends right at your doorstep. If that's not enough, how about a cricket stadium? Large apartments and cottages are also in the works at Teju City. Plans are afoot to build a studio too. A full-fledged hospital, an international school and a shopping mall are among the other attractions of Teju City. Parks and gardens at every step. Rather than build on nature, we have built around nature, where you can enjoy a sense of space and serenity. Skating rinks and children's play areas will harness the bubbly energy of your tiny tots. Outdoor gym and jogging tracks for the fitness freaks. We invite you to build your home at Teju City. Come and experience the world of independence and true freedom of living. Aesthetic and eco-friendly designs, guaranteed living comforts, highest quality standards and excellent location with connectivity ensures exponential appreciation of your investment. It is time to choose this golden opportunity to live comfortably with your family in this resort-style, joyous countryside environment with all amenities and facilities at prices that surprise you.